Hello, today I'll be showing you how to reset your Netflix password. When you open Netflix, you can just click on sign in and this window will show up. Here you just need to click on need help. Here you can choose if you want to reset your password with your email or your phone number. I will be choosing email for this video. Once you have entered your email, just click on email me. Netflix should send you an email with all the instructions. When you open the email, just click on reset password. Then this window should open up. Here you can just enter your new password, then confirm it and click on save. That's it. Thank you for watching, subscribe and leave a like.